This is where comedy comes to life on Hey, you don't know about Jnel, and today's video is about 5 things Jamaicans hate. Number 1, Jamaicans hate to wait. John was star. Me can't motherfucker go say wait, no man. Watch it, 2 man did already. Go on me yard there, man.
Yo, watch me, brother.
Let me get you.
Yo. General. Yo.
Number 2 on the list, Jamaicans hate when they step on them shoes.
Rajae. What you gonna do, dog? You know, put. Yo, hold on, dog. I'm here, dog. I'm shoes that you know, bro. Yo, clean it up.
That brush off easy.
Oh, yeah, dog.
Yo,
Man,
cool, dog. My shoes are going to for brother. Man, you easy, dog.
Oh, yeah, dude.
My shoes are going to for
I'm here.
Number 3 on the list, Jamaicans hate when them girlfriend come over and them clean up and everything, and then something go wrong.
Hello?
Yeah, babe.
Hey babe, I'm coming over.
Alright.
Hey babe, by the way, I'm on my period, but I'm still coming over though. I'm on my period, but I'm still coming over though. I'm on my period, but I'm still coming over though. I'm on my period, but I'm still coming over though.
Number 4 on the list, Jamaicans hate when they frighten them.
I'm on my period, but I'm still coming over though. I'm on my period, but I'm still coming over though.
Number 5 on the list, Jamaicans hate when I disturb them.
Okay. Yo. Is that something I do, brother?
I be in me, I go be in my youth. I be in me, I go be in my youth. Brush.
Anyways,
Subscribe to Jnel TV. Big up on yourself.
pick up on yourself.
Look over.
And that was number 5. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and also subscribe Jnel TV. Bad like AIDS. Click here to watch another video, or click here to watch our next video again. To watch the last video, click here. Like, share, also subscribe. People, subscribe to my channel. Click right here. Jnel TV. Bad like AIDS.